Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you another easy and simple gelx nail design. We're going to be using these colors today and it's just another simple design, but I added flowers and a double French to make it cuter, and I'm doing it on an oval shaped nail. So we're going to do the entire process from start to finish. So let's begin. So of course we're starting off with preparing the natural nails. I'm going to be switching up my nail drill bit for that one. And right here I'm pushing back my cuticles with this nail tool. I'm always using my drill on a low setting speed once I'm using it on my natural nails. So here I'm just trying to get away the cuticles that are stuck to the nail bed because I don't want that. So I'm using these clippers now to cut away at the dead skin from around the edges of my fingernail and to cut away some of the cuticles also. Then I'm going to be trimming down my nails and filing the free edge with a nail file that I have. And I think I'm also going to use it to buff the surface because I need the surface just a bit rough so that the gel has something to adhere to. Now I'm wiping down the nail with this alcohol and a lint-free wipe. The alcohol acts as a dehydrator, and off camera here now I'm just going to spend some time to fit my nail tips, and these are the ones that I'm going to be using today. They already come shaped and they say it's medium, but they fit more like short. And here I'm just showing you how I fit the nail, ensuring that it fits from sidewall to sidewall on the nail. And then not all the nails are like perfect to my nail shape, so I'm filing down some of them so that the cuticle area fits better or the edges fit better, making sure that the nail is more flush with my natural nail. So here I'm switching out this nail bit for this one because even though the nails come etched already, I'm just gonna go over them one more time with this drill bit because I feel like it's not etched enough, like it's not rough enough. The surface is not rough enough for the gel to adhere to. Like when I feel it, it's a bit smooth. So I did that. Now I'm starting to prep for my gelx application. So I'm using this gelish pH primer and I'm applying one layer on all my nails. Then I'm applying a layer of foundation, which I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to start attaching the nails. I'm going to apply another layer of the foundation to my nail. I'm going to put a layer in the nail, and I have a lamp that's clipped to the side of my desk. You see the purple light there? That I'm using to flash cure the nail. I hold it for probably like 15 seconds and it's attached. After I'm done with all of them now, like all 5 on one hand, I then put that whole hand into my big lamp and cure that for 60 seconds. So here now I am filing down the cuticle area just to make the nails look more natural and flush with the cuticle area. I don't like when it looks bulky, so that's just a personal preference. And I'm also trying to remove any gel X that might have like squeezed out or oozed out on the sides. I'm also trying to remove that. So I think here I'm doing all of one side, and then I'm gonna change my drill, I think from forward or reverse, and then I'm gonna do all the other side. Okay, so here I'm showing you on my left hand. This is what the polish looks like with 2 coats and it's sheer. On my right hand is what, I know it sounds excessive, 4 coats of polish, and that's what I was going for. You see them side by side right there? I did not want it sheer like the left hand. I wanted it like that pink, that soft pink look. And so I know 4 coats may sound excessive, but here we go. I'm applying it. So if there's this pink that you guys are using, like that nude pink to do your French, please drop the recommendation down below. I would love to try, because not every day I want to do, 4 or 5 how many coats of this polish just to get that soft pink that I want. But I do appreciate that this polish is buildable. Like you can get that sheer pink color. You can get that sheer pink color, but then you can also build it up and get that soft pink, very light color. So in between each coat, I'm curing it for 30 seconds, and now we're gonna be doing the design. So here I have this plate with all my brushes and some of the colors that I was using. I'm just using this white. I'm gonna take some out and put on the plate so I can work from there. I love these brushes because they have the styling or the striper end, and then they have a dotting tool end. Perfect for when I'm doing the flowers. You're gonna see them later on down in the video. This is how I do my French. Might not be the best way, but this is how I do it. 1 straight line across there, 1 down in the middle, like right in the center, and then I draw the 2 curved lines on the edges, fill it in, and then I am going to use my brush in some alcohol and clean it up. All the tools, polishes, everything that I use in my video can be found linked down below or in the unboxing video that I have on my channel. That video is just a compilation of all the things that I had in my kit at the time. That's how I did my French. I mean, it's sped up now, but it took some time to perfect it. I'm gonna be doing the double French design on 2 nails, so you're gonna see that. So I think I'm going to cure it. Yeah, I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to come back and do the double French. So I'm doing it with this bright hot pink color, the colors that I showed you um, at the beginning. That's what I'm using. These colors will be linked down below also. So they come from the Beetles kit, one of the kits. I don't know. But I'm pretty sure it's out of one of those kits that I took the colors from. And I'm just gonna trace this with my striper brush, and then I'm gonna take again the other brush in some alcohol and try to clean up the lines. Yeah. So the same thing I'm doing on this finger, I'm also doing to the ring finger. So those are gonna be my 2 accent nails that has the double French on it. And then my middle finger and pinky finger, I'm gonna put the flowers. I didn't do anything to the thumbs. I usually don't do anything to the thumbs, so yeah. Oh, here I was showing you that if you have like a little makeup brush or something that has a round edge like that, you can use it to form the circles for the flowers. But I have a dotting tool, so on one end of the brushes, so that's what I do. I just dip it in the nail polish and then form dots like this on the nail, and then I'm gonna flip the brush to the striper end and I'm gonna drag it. You're gonna see I'm gonna drag it so it forms like the flowers, the leaves of the flowers, sorry. So, yeah, so I flip the brush and then I'm gonna drag the circles so it forms the leaves of the flower. Then I cure that for 60 seconds, and now I'm going to do the bright colors in between. So I just dip my dotting tool in the polish and form like this perfect circle of colors right in the middle. So I'm using different colors. I use 2 green, or like a green and a kind of yellow color, and a pink. I then cure that for 60 seconds and then I put top coat over it just to seal in everything. Really simple, real easy. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the pink finger. But the pinky finger for me is smaller, so instead of putting 3 flowers, I think I only did 2. Yeah, I think I only did 2. Did them like that. Then I'm gonna drag the circles so that they form the leaves of the flower, like so. And I'm gonna add the colors right in the middle. Cure that for 60 seconds, and now I'm gonna put top coat on everything just to seal it in. So that's what the nails are looking like. And then of course I'm gonna add my cuticle oil. And you know, once I take out the cuticle oil, it's right about the end of the tutorial. Just like that, we're done. So this is what the end product looked like, guys. I wore these for about 2.5 weeks until two of them started lifting. So I removed them. And they started growing out too. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you recreated this look, let me know in the comments down below. If you got a pink for the French you want to tell me about, please tell me down below in the comment section, please. And don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with anybody. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.